Hi, my name is Louie. Today I've got
Damon with Premier RV. How's it going?
All right, Damon, what do we got today?
We got a 0638 PST Diplomat.
Wow.
Yeah, really clean coach, only 25,800 miles.
Yeah, I've been impressed with the overall condition inside and out on this coach.
Yeah, it's only had 2 owners.
And didn't you say it has a 400 Cummins?
It does, 400 ISL Cummins.
This thing must fly.
Yeah, it's a great little coach. Roadmaster custom chassis, 8 outboard mounted airbags. Paint's an amazing, the whole coach is really nice, but the paint's high gloss, the headlights, there's no fade, been garaged.
And only 25,840 miles, I think.
That's it,
So,
yeah.
Wow.
Yep, nice
Yeah.
little coach.
Good starter coach, but even if it's your second coach, a diesel pusher, this is a lot of coach for the money.
Yeah, 84,999. I mean, that's
hard to beat.
it is. New gas coaches are a couple $100,000. I mean, take this any day.
Yeah, this or the gas coach, I think I'll take this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're in our indoor showroom and we got some new coaches that just arrived, so we'll be doing some more videos on those later in the week, but I just want to make sure everyone realizes that we're indoors, and that really makes a big difference.
It does, yeah. We got everything's indoors plugged in, and we got a couple little holes here and there. The Bluebird is sold, so we're getting that ready for the new owner. Kim, congratulations.
All right, so let's get back to the Diplomat, huh?
Okay.
Where do you want to start?
Right here at the entry door, Lou.
Wow, one-piece windshield too, which is nice.
Yeah.
Side view cameras.
Side view cameras. This owner has taken great care of this coach. Recently did new roof airs proactively, residential refrigerator, combo washer dryers new also. Done quite a few things we'll get into as we're going around the coach. It'll jog my memory too.
And they bought another coach from us, a country coach.
Yeah,
right?
08 45-foot Magna bath and a half with a 600 Cummins.
And then they asked us to consign this and sell this for them. So, so yeah, no, we're excited about it. I think it's a great coach. Nice big door here with nice steps coming in.
Yeah, a lot of storage in the dash, and TV's been updated.
We've got an entry door awning, and then you got the main Carefree awning there. So big patio awning. Fuel tank, what do you think? 100 gallons?
100 gallons, you can fill it on either side.
What are the age of the batteries?
Batteries,
the tires.
Tires they were installed in 2021, and they're Michelins all the way around, which is a 7-year tire. So you can, 28 is you're good on your tires. The batteries, Lou, all of them got replaced in March of 24. So all the batteries are new, house and chassis, or newer, about a year old, year and a half.
And you're right about the paint. It's in really good condition.
It is.
So fuel tanks there. You could fill it from either side.
Yeah, 100 gallons.
Side hinge doors, which is nice. Gonna have a pass-through bay here. These are full pass-through bays. Now we haven't cleaned this coach yet either. We had a bunch of coaches come in all at once, right?
We did.
And we've had so many deliveries that Caballo's been a little busy with detailing.
He's been overwhelmed.
The deliveries. The deliveries come first, so. But we'll vacuum all that out, and then they have a lot of goodies here, it looks like.
I was gonna say, Christmas came early on bay number 2. You got all kinds of spare parts, water hose, gas valve for the water heater, hot water heater element, electric element, filters for the fridge. Those are jack pads, put under the jacks so they don't go through the ground. Yeah, IntelliTech parts, so a whole slew of spare parts.
Yeah, it looks like you have a little outlet right here.
Yeah, we got an outlet up there, and got some kind of a hose connection here coiled up. Looks like it's water, maybe. We'll have to look into that. Water heater is right there.
Because there's some kind of access hole here, so there must be some kind of aftermarket thing here.
Yeah, I'll have to inquire on that. This is the back side of the holding tank, so on the other side is where you dump the tank, so that's not storage. Recessed docking lights. Yeah, the paint looks really good. Dual pane windows.
Yeah.
Here's all the batteries. So you have 4 house batteries, 624 on the tag there. He told me March, but it looks like it was closer to June. And then a couple of chassis batteries on the right. Got a Magnum inverter.
So that's been upgraded over the years, huh?
Mm-hmm. You got a ball mount, probably wiper blades. Yep, pair of wiper blades, spare belt.
Yeah, look how the doors, they shut very nicely.
Yeah.
Got a rear-mounted radiator.
Yep, and you do have an access to get in there. There's dipsticks and coolant reservoir.
But boy, with a 400,
yeah,
this thing's gonna fly up the hills.
10,000 pound hitch. It's got the pneumatic connection here for auxiliary braking of a tow vehicle.
And this coach measures 38.
11 overall, 12 feet 10 height.
Height.
On the outside, 84 on the inside height.
Huh.
Air intake is up here on the left for the engine, the Cummins 400. This bay has a power cord reel.
Looks like the air filter.
Air filter is there, an exhaust below, transfer switch, park cable TV.
And that's electric short cord there.
Yeah.
Which is nice.
Yeah, nice reel.
So 3 slides, 2 on this side, 1 on the other.
Mm-hmm. Yep, 2 in the front, 1 in the bedroom.
Yep.
Again, another recessed docking light. I mean, all the lights are really bright and clear. You can tell it's been garaged. And this is the plumbing bay. He's got a couple of hoses, tank flush for the black tank, pressure gauge and regulator on the city water connection. That's kind of nice.
Mm-hmm.
Monitor panel out here.
And what's the size of the tanks?
100 gallons fresh, 62 gray, 40 black.
Oh, not bad.
38 propane. So the propane is, it's got a hose that looks like it's about 100 feet long on the left there.
Yeah.
So if you want to outside gas grill at your neighbors or 4 sites down, you can do that, no problem. And you got 38 gallons.
Yeah. We'll be on the river.
This is the opposite side of your pass-through storage bays, and those trays are dual directional, so they'll go out either side. Yeah, those bay doors are nice, man. They don't take any effort to close.
Yeah, that's pretty amazing. Good storage, though, for a 38-footer.
I wonder if we shouldn't maybe make some diagrams and pictures of these bay doors and how they close and send something over to Newmar. That's impressive. And it's an 06.
Yeah, Newmars, you really got to slam them. I think their seals are so tight, so.
They are. This is the front run bay, and
we got a generator slide out here.
you know, this might have the handle on the gen door themselves, is what I'm thinking.
That's
yeah,
all right.
these headlights are really nice. Yeah, there's a latch right here by the front license plate.
Got an 8K AW.
I'm going to guess 184 hours.
184 hours.
Oh my gosh.
Hey. Another, not what we would call a dry camper, huh?
Yeah. I mean, it's just beautiful in here. Yeah, no rust. Really nice.
Yeah, that's pretty amazing. Definitely West Coast coach, which we like that, right?
Yes.
But yeah, the windshield, one piece, very large, but in good condition. I don't see any cracks or anything like that.
No, the wipers look heavy duty.
Yeah.
Nice chrome rearview mirrors.
No, it's, boy, a fantastic coach for 84,000.
It is. This will go quick.
Yeah. Well, let's go inside, Damon. What do you think?
I'm in.
All right, we made it inside. What do you think, Damon?
Pretty nice.
Yeah. No, good floor plan, 3 slides.
38 PST.
Now, we haven't cleaned it outside. We washed it, but we got to clean the
That's
base.
it.
We also haven't cleaned the inside, so
Yep.
We normally shampoo the carpets and then put plastic down. But
yep, that'll still happen.
It's still happening. He's coming in later today, so just wanted to say that. But I don't think she needs to clean much in here, though.
No, I think just shampoo the carpets and put runner and we're good.
No, overall condition is fantastic on the inside. So this is light cherry cabinet, beautiful cabinetry. What do we got over here?
We got updated electronics. So the TV is a smart TV, and then they have a Yamaha receiver up here and a DVD player down below. So that's all been updated.
Yeah, they've done a nice job with the dash here, the backup camera, and then your stereo. But good storage right here, a couple drawers, good place for your coffee.
Your Dometic thermostat manual and remotes. Then some miscellaneous wiring and buttons. A little slide tray for the passenger with some storage here. Grab handle for getting in, which Monaco did a good job with that. And they put an outlet down here for 110 and 12 volt. There's a stepwell cover. Passenger seat has a power footrest. Look at the condition of the seats, Louie.
Yeah.
I mean, they're really nice.
Extremely clean.
A little console here for the passenger side. Some storage and step cover, map light.
Yeah, over here we got a jackknife sofa, kind of a J. A little J going on here.
Yeah, J sofa with a jackknife.
Over here there's a recliner, but you know, you could put another hide-a-bed or anything you would want, a couple chairs, theater seating. Who's to say what people want these days, but
yeah,
you got enough space there. It looks like about what, 72 inches, 70 inches?
Yep, pretty close. 6 feet.
Good height on the ceiling.
Yeah. Dual pane windows all the way around with day-night shades. And then Monaco always does a great job with storage. So you got overheads all the way through the living room. They're deep.
Yeah.
So you can put a lot of storage in here. In fact, when they moved out of this 38 PST Diplomat into their 45-foot Magna, they said, guess what? We got more storage in our 38-foot Diplomat. So.
Yeah. Well, a bath and a half, you know,
Yeah.
that extra room, it does have to come somewhere. So.
You
But
got
yeah, good.
Nice wall cabinet module. Look at the storage here too. Yeah, it's
Magnas
just
don't
huge.
have the cabinets above the living room, so
Right.
that's where you're getting a lot of storage here.
Got a padded vinyl ceiling that looks really nice. No evidence of water leaks.
Yep. 3-burner cooktop. Storage down below.
Sink covers on the right.
Look at all that storage above the sink there, though, Damon.
Yeah, huge. That's an adjustable shelf. Got some bulbs up on the top. They did tell me they added a drinking water spigot, so there's a filter that goes under the sink here.
Yeah, a little bit pantry here.
Pantry and that nice countertop below it.
And they upgraded the refrigerator, like you said.
Yeah, the refrigerator is about a year old, and the roof airs have both been replaced with new units.
Wow.
And then they did the combo washer dryer also.
Yeah.
Tile in the kitchen and bathroom.
Yeah, good vanity sink here, and in the water closet there's a, looks like another sink, so 2 sinks. Good size shower. Good height in there for you there too, Jack, huh?
Yeah, it's got a seat. All pewter hardware throughout, which is nice.
A lot of controls going on over here, huh, Damon? You got your inverter control and your energy management system.
Yep.
And then your slide room controls are here.
Slide outs. Newer thermostat they put in, that Dometic.
What do you think? A queen size mattress here?
Looks like it.
Good storage here.
Mm-hmm. Is that owner's manuals and a cabinet of some sort?
Looks like some kind of subwoofer here.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
What
Oh,
the-
there's a stereo behind you built in. Looks like it's original from 06.
Yeah, a little CD holder here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Got any CDs left?
I don't.
I don't think I have any either. We got the combo washer dryer. They've updated this TV with a nice hinge here. I'm sure there's some storage back here, but pretty hard to get to, so. Good wardrobe back here for hanging.
Yeah, and these overheads. Got windows on each side of the bed at the nightstand.
No, I would say overall condition is fantastic, Damon.
Yeah, a lot of storage. Drawers and that overhead.
Yeah. I think the best part is the 400 Cummins.
Yeah. Yeah, a lot of motor.
That's the ISL, so what, 1,200 foot-pounds of torque? So.
Exactly, yep. 6-speed Allison, 3000 series.
Boy, you can't beat that. That's... All right, well, hit the subscribe button. If you're interested in this coach, give us a call.
Yeah, it'll go quick. Thank you.